Hey everybody, this is Derek Stevens from 3dbuzz.com. First of all, thank you for taking this course. And second of all, I want to be real with you. I've looked at a lot of tutorials online, and I was just where you're at right now. I wanted to do the massive Star Wars games and all this sort of brilliant, cool art stuff that, boom, I'm down, it's pretty. Here's a dirty secret. It doesn't do that. No one does that. Everybody messes up, and it's okay to mess up. I just want to reiterate that. It's okay to mess up. So, with that said, I'm not going to be one of these guys that speeds everything up 10 times, and then you see a small mistake, and I correct it, boom, in a blink of an eye. Not going to do that for you. First of all, second of all, third of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my image size. I have created something that is roughly 7 by 10, 300 dpi. 300 dpi that allows me really to grab a hold of detail. So you're wondering, why am I here? Can I learn drawing? You can. It's kind of like writing in words, okay? You learn the alphabet first, correct? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way to letter Z. And then you learn small words, cat, dog, but with 2 T's. I hope I made you laugh. Then you learn phrases, and then paragraphs, punctuation, the whole thing. It's pretty much like drawing. So we're going to start very basic. What I've done is, with this whole exercise right here, I'm going to get a black ink area right here. My brush area, I have B for brush, is at 15. I do a test stroke right here. That makes me feel happy. And what we're going to do is, we're going to practice some lines, okay? We need to understand that our hand-eye coordination is everything with this. So what we're going to do is, we're going to talk about sketching. Sketching is kind of a form that's associated often with a rough draft. Whenever I've worked for game companies, 3D Buzz, Heavy Cat, all these guys, they'll ask me, hey, I need a quick down and dirty. It's got to be boom. And from there, I'll build upon whatever they want. As a concept artist, my thing is, if there's a purple hippopotamus with a tutu and a bazooka, I'll draw 10 of them, different looks, different positions, and then they choose from that, and I build from that. So sketching and these little lines that we're going to create are going to help us understand that. And what we're going to do is, this box up here, and my brush size is at 15. What I want you to do is get comfortable with your Wacom tablet, or if you're working on paper. I'm going to try to get in here nice and tight. And this is all I'm doing. And it's helping me understand how my hand flows. So from this area, box number 1, right here, I want you to do this 3 times. Box number 2, what I want you to do is big L's, like this. And what I'm trying to do, or trying to make you understand, is everything's done in small motions. It's a continuous line. A lot of people like to scribe. They like to etch like this. And it's not the case. Let me get out of this real quick. And if this is a face that I'm drawing through here, now my quick concept, down and dirty, will be lots of rough lines. And that's okay. But when I come back in, I'm going to make nice, smooth lines like this. Chin's that. Ears that. Jawline. Part of the head. This is how everything is cut up. And we'll do that here eventually. But when you understand how to control your hand, control the lines, you're going to be spot above everybody else. So what we're going to try next is box 3. Box 1 3 times, box 2 3 times, box 3, let's say 5 times, okay? And the reason why box 3 is 3 times is circles. Small circles. I'm not letting off my stylus right now. I'm making circles. That's what I want you to do. I want you to get familiar with everything that's going on with your hand. Okay, so to reiterate, box 1, small lines that come through here, 3 times. Box 2, we're doing L's. We're getting our hand-eye coordination spot on. Box 3, just because I want to be froggy and silly, I'm going to do 3 times. We need to understand how our hand moves. So we have a big box right here. What are we going to do with it? What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit here, I'm going to hit shift, bring it down through here. I'm going to quarter it up. Come down here 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So I have basically 3 boxes in through here in Photoshop, alright? And here's what I'm going to do. What I want to do is I'm going to come up here from left to right, all the way up here like this. And in the middle box, I'm going to come all the way through here like this. Make them nice and tight. And the bottom box, I want you to move from right to left. Like this. This is going to help you understand how your hand, your eye, everything coordinates. So I want you to do this 1 times 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 5. Draw as much as you can. When you understand how your eye coordinates with your hand, you're going to be head and shoulders above anybody else. It's basic, but when you build a house, you need a strong foundation. And this is what we're trying to do. Again, this is Derek Stevens. I'm from 3dbuzz.com, The Crow's Nest. I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.